My first time skateboarding was back when I was in high school. I got on the skateboard, tried to do an ollie, which is where you just pop the skateboard off the ground, completely wiped out. Like landed sideways, bruised my ribs, and I never got on the skateboard again. And then fast forward to now, I'm in my 30s and I look back and was like, there's nothing stopping me from learning it now besides my own fear and age and rickety bones. So I decided to give it a shot now. I had two goals basically. One of them was to learn how to ollie. And then my other goal was learning to love skating. It was a more abstract goal, just being able to get over the fear of skating and being comfortable enough to be able to hop on the board and to enjoy it as a true, genuine hobby. Day one, I had to decide what skateboard to buy. And then I was recommended to just find a flat surface to try on. So I didn't go to the skate park. I went to a basketball court. I realized I was making progress based on some advice that some wayward skaters gave me when they saw me struggling to ollie. And that was to hold on to a fence while I practice ollieing so that I wouldn't have to worry about falling and I could just get the mechanics down. And the point that I got where I felt, oh shit, I made it, was when I was able to hold on to the fence and land an ollie with support. It was like the equivalent of learning how to ride a bike with training wheels. And that gave me enough confidence to eventually take the training wheels off and try doing it without holding on to the fence. And when I was able to ollie, I was able to land an ollie on my own. My goal was to be able to ollie, and I had landed that within the first week or two of skating. And by the end of it, I was able to, one, ollie, and two, I was able to shove it, and three, I was able to get onto my board in what I considered a pretty cool way, just being able to flip on top of it rather than just stepping on it. So I wanted to be able to go to a skate park for the first time. And I did want to be able to go up a ramp, turn around, and to be able to go back down that ramp, to do just a simple turn at the skate park and deal with the lumps that came with it. So that's what I tried on day 30, and it was brutal. I fell so many times just trying to do this simple turn, and eventually I was able to get it. The thing that was most terrifying in trying to become a skater or learning how to skateboard in this amount of time was knowing that I would get hurt, that I would take these falls. And then once the falls happened, they became something that was like, okay, I did it, I fell. And then you're able to just continue trying over and over again until you get the thing that you're trying to get. I feel most adults are bad at learning things. You have to go back to being a beginner and just making a fool of yourself. And once I got over the idea of falling, not only falling, but falling in front of other people and just getting right back on, that was also a freeing feeling, and it's something that made the learning process so much better. Once you're able to do that, then nothing's stopping you.